How to delete Amazon order history. Now in this video, I'll show you one specific method or way for you to be able to delete your order history on Amazon. So the very first thing that you want to do, if you're going to be doing this via the web version of your PC or from your mobile device, all the process is going to be the same. So once you're here, make sure to log in into your account. Now, if you go into accounts and list where your username is listed, just simply click on orders. Now, unfortunately, deleting order history from Amazon does not actually exist, or that feature is not available. What you can do alternatively is to hide or archive orders. So once you're here, you can try to change these span or range of the dates where you would like to access that specific order. Click that order and hit on archive order. And that's it. That's the most convenient way for you to delete order history in Amazon.